Did you start it?
Yeah.
Okay, so hi guys, and this is my tree, which we have another one over there, which does not work, but that doesn't have a lot of bugs in it. But the most bug we're looking for is cicadas, and this is a tree. Do you hear that? That's a cicada. So we put it wherever we found something. So like if you wait, where'd it go? If you look like somewhere up there, look, one's moving.
Oh, yeah.
You see that? And then way up there, and it's moving. So that's a good sign that we see one. Man, there's like one right here. And can you come over? Wait, is that it? There's one like right up there. So I think I found one over here. I think I did. And the most thing we're looking for is just cicadas. I don't want to look for cicada killers.
What are cicada killers?
They're like these bugs, and it's a cicada, but it kills cicadas.
Oh, I thought it was a wasp.
It is a wasp, because we had to learn about it before we looked at it, because we were just looking at cicadas, and then we saw cicada killers, and then we had to do that after.
Okay. Is that all?
No. And it's some my mom found.
Okay. I think I'm going to stop it.
No, don't. There's like some like right there. I don't see any. Okay.
Sounds like they're over here.
Oh, it's probably the two ones we found.
Mm-hmm.
To that!
All right.